Yo, what's up boys, it's YOREASE'S and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best stretched res tutorial so you can get stretched res with zero input delay and still be able to enjoy that beautiful stretched res. Make sure you pay close attention and follow me step by step. As always, if you enjoy any part of this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like and comment on the video. The first step that you guys want to do is go to your search bar and type in %local app data and % once again. After you do this, just press enter. When you get on this screen, all you need to do is locate your Fortnite game. So you want to press the F key on your keyboard, and as you can see, it will highlight Fortnite game so you don't have to go searching through all your files. Double click on saved, double click on config, and then double click on Windows client. Once you get here, you want to right click on game user settings, and then you want to press properties. You want to make sure that read only is not checked. So after you do this, just press apply, and then press OK, and then press OK again. While you're still on this screen, you want to right click once again, and then you want to press open. This is the normal way everyone will get stretched resolution, but we're going here just to make sure that we have our last user confirmed res on the right thing. So we're going to scroll all the way down, and as you can see, since I am currently on stretch res, my last user confirmed resolution is 1280 by 1024, but we want that to say 1920 by 1080. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and change all of these to 1920 by 1080, which is native resolution. So you want to go through and put all of these at 1920 by 1080. So make sure you're following me step by step. Your resolution size should be 1920 by 1080. Last user confirmed resolution 1920 by 1080. Desired screen width 1920 by 1080, and last user confirmed desired screen width 1920 by 1080. Double check for yourself one more time. I already know that I have it in correctly, so I'm going to press file, and then I'm going to press save. After you do that, you can just exit. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your NVIDIA control panel. Go to change resolution, which I'm already on. You want to hit customize. If you have any custom resolutions here, you need to delete every single one. Yes, you do. This is a part of the process. If you have them here, this will not work for you. So make sure you delete all of these resolutions. While you're still in this screen, before you press OK, make sure that this box is not checked. It says enable resolutions not exposed by the display. Once again, make sure this is not checked. Once you make sure of this, then you should press OK. For the last step within the NVIDIA control panel, all you need to do is click on adjust desktop size and position. When you get here, click on no scaling, and also under this tab, this is very important because if you click on this and it says GPU but no display, that means that this tutorial would not work for you. That means that you will have to do a different tutorial, which should be on screen right now, but you will get a ton of input delay. With display, you get zero input delay. So if you see display here, make sure you click on it, and after that, just press apply. This next step is super important. This is where we'll be downloading CRU, which is custom resolution utility, and this will help us finish off the process of doing display scaling. To download it, all you need to do is come over here to download and click on this, which is CRU 1.5.2. Once you do this, it'll start to download. It'll come over here, and since I have WinRAR, I will literally just open this up. Once you get into WinRAR, all you need to do is locate CRU. Once you find it, just double click on it, and then go to cru.exe and double click on this as well. Once it opens up, just press yes. It might look a little intimidating, but I promise you, I got you. Before I did this, I had to actually go back to 1920 by 1080 because if mine looked different than y'all's, I know y'all would look mad confused. Mine was basically the finished product of how it should look when it's done, but this is how it should look when you first get in here. I love y'all and I care about y'all, and I don't want you guys confused. Let's continue the process. The first thing you guys want to check, which is the most important thing, is that when you come up here, this is where you select the monitor that you're doing this on. Make sure that it says active next to it, or if you have two active, like if you're running a double monitor setup, just make sure the one that you want to do this on is the one you selected. Come down here to where it says extension blocks. You want to click on this, and then you want to press edit. While you're in here, you want to select the one that's closest to the bottom, which is 1920 by 1080. Should be your highest hertz. Mine is 240, so I'm going to select this one. Once you get here, you want to just press edit. You want to come to the top, and you want to press copy. Don't touch anything in here. After you press copy, press OK, and while you're still in here, you want to press delete all on this, and then you want to press OK again, and then you're good to go. For the next step, as you can see, some of these are checked on the side of your screen. You don't want any of them checked, so instead of unchecking them manually, just come down here so it's easier and press none. The next thing you want to do is come down here and delete all extension blocks. Make sure there's nothing here, so you just want to press delete. If you have multiple, just press delete all, and then you want to come here, you want to press delete all as well, and then you want to press add, and then you want to come down until you see 1920 by 1080 16 by 9. Leave it at 60 Hertz and then press OK. Now for the final few steps, we're going to come here and press delete all on this as well, and then we're going to press add. Once you do that, you're going to come over here and press paste. This is from earlier where you copied the thing. So you press paste. Right here is where you'll enter the stretch res that you desire. So for me, the stretch res that I use is 1280 by 1024. So I'm just going to type that in, 24, and then right here I'm going to make sure my hertz are correct. I do play at 240 hertz. After this, I'm going to press OK. Before we go to the final step, all you need to do is make sure your screen looks just like mine. Our stretched res doesn't have to match, but just make sure you only have these things in these two boxes, which is the detail resolution and the standard resolutions. Once you're good, then we're good, man. After that, just press OK. For the final step, you want to go back into WinRAR where you have CRU opened up. You want to hit restart 64.exe, and once you hit this, it will basically restart. And after that, if you have a black screen, this right here should help you, which should be on screen right now. Just follow these step by step, and it will only go into a black screen if you didn't listen to me or if you missed any steps that I told you were super important. So just do this. I'm gonna do it and I'll be right back. This is what you will see if you had a successful restart. You'll see restart 1.5 and it'll say graphics driver restarted. Now let's move on to the final step, which is basically switching it to the stretch res that we just did on our display. Right click on your desktop. Once you do this, you want to go to display settings, and then you want to go to advanced display. Once you go here, you want to go to display adapter properties for display 1, and then you want to go to list all modes, and you should be able to click on your stretch res. Mine is 1280 by 1024, 240 hertz. After you do this, just press OK. After you press OK, you do need to go ahead and press apply, so just make sure you hit that. After you hit apply, just make sure that you press keep changes, and then you're all good to go. Another way to make sure that you did this successfully is that when you look at desktop mode and active signal mode, they both say the same exact thing, so you're good to go. Now we can load up Fortnite and get some clips in and gameplay to show you how smooth it is and how I have zero input delay. Boom! As you can see, we're on 1280 by 1024, which is my stretched res. It says full screen and 1280 by 1024 on 240 hertz, man. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it really helped you, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Now enjoy these clips so I can show you how smooth this truly is. I would have definitely ran more reload game for you guys because I know you guys love watching my gameplay, especially after seeing those type of clips right there. But these ranked reload queues are crazy, so we're gonna stop the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire video. Like I said, please make sure to like and comment on the video, and if you're new, please subscribe for future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.